In this video, I'm gonna be showing guys how you can get unbanned from Wizz. As you can see, you can easily get unbanned here by following these simple steps. Make sure to watch this video till the end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. Now, let's start right now. Now, the first thing guys you need to do is to remove the app, okay? Probably you will say, okay, why would I remove the app, stuff like that. You have to remove the app, okay? If you are using Android or iPhone, you have to uninstall the app, okay? Remove it from your phone. Just remove it. And then after that, guys, this will be easy now how you can get unbanned from the from Wizz. Now what you want to do, guys, you just want to follow these simple steps. This is very easy, guys, and it won't take you any time, and this is the best way to get unbanned. I have seen a lot of videos on YouTube say that you need stuff like you need to clear the data, stuff like that, but it doesn't really work. I tried it and it doesn't work. Now what you want to do, guys, next is to open your settings and change the name of your phone. Click on general and click about, click name, and if you are using Android, like I said, the same steps, change it to something else. iPhone, for example, 11. Click done. Now after you change that, guys, you want to go back and then go to your app store, okay? Go to your app store and search for VPN super. Okay, you wanna just search for VPN super, okay? Now after you search, guys, for VPN super, you will have to download it. Now after you download it, here is the trick, okay? This is the trick that a lot of people don't know. Now after, okay, this is the VPN. You wanna click on Git. Now after you download VPN, you wanna click on Git again. Okay, now after, guys, like I said, you download the VPN, you just wanna open it. I just wait for it to download. This is very quick. Yeah, you wanna click on open. So you wanna click on agree and continue. You wanna click this X in the top right, and you wanna click continue and click on don't allow. Now what you want to do, guys, you want to click on the you don't have to change the country. You just want to let it fastest location. You want to click on connect. You want to click here. Okay, click allow and give it permission to use VPN on your iPhone or Android. I'm just going to click ads. Now, as you can see here, guys, we are using the VPN right now. Here is the trick, guys. You want to go now and download the app from your Play Store or App Store, Wizz, okay? Now, after, guys, you download Wizz, don't sign up using the same information. This is not why. Don't sign up using the same information when you're on your account to go to banned. Don't use the same information. Now use a different name, a different age, a different everything different, okay? And let me know in the comments if this works now, okay? Don't use, like I said, the same Gmail. Use another Gmail. So see you guys in the next video. If this video helped you, drop a like, subscribe. Let me know in the comments if this works.